Good afternoon, everybody. This is Todd Mitchell for today's blog video. Today is Wednesday, November 19th, and I want to point a trade that I think is setting up. I'm going to start off with a Gilead Sciences, GILD, and then I'm going to move into ETFs, okay? Because I trade ETFs just as frequently as I trade stocks, options, futures, or even Forex. And you've seen me talk a lot lately about the Forex market. But again, a chart's a chart. But I have certain strategies that I utilize when swing trading and occasionally day trading ETFs. But let's first start off with what I think is setting up really nice in here. As you can see right here in this chart, the market has pulled back into a real nice support area. We're obviously in an established uptrend. You can all see that. Made the high right up in here. We've been pulling back ever since, right? We broke down right into this gray action zone, and the market, as you can see, as I have bracketed in the green horizontal lines, the market's really starting to consolidate in here. We have an inside pattern here, followed by with a higher high and a higher low. We have another inside pattern here. I think this market looks like it wants to explode. Which way? Who really knows? I think the probabilities favor that the move will be to the upside. So what I've done is I have bought some options, and let me just, okay, let me pull up my account over here. I bought the options. I bought the December 100 in the money options, and I paid $5.32. So $5.32, December expiration, which is a month, pretty much a month from today, in the money, which is below the current price of 102.23. So a 100 strike, December expiration, okay? Anticipating the move to the upside. And I use the underline as my trigger to exit my option trade, right? So it's a call option, right? So I want this market to go up. If this market starts to penetrate down through the 100 right here, put in place on the 14th of November, then I would simply exit my call option. So I would never in a million years let, an option that I buy expire worthless. I utilize the underline as a trigger to exit the trade, okay? So that's Gilead Sciences. Let's take a look at IWM. I think IWM, this is the Russell 2000 ETF, right? It's 1-to-1. It's not inverse. It's not the leveraged ETF, okay? As you can see here, the trend has changed to the upside here, right? We changed from red to green in here. We have taken out this high, right? This high right in here, penetrated up through this prior high before we had that correction in the market, okay? And we're pulling back, okay? We are right in between that blue action zone right in here, okay? Now, if you compare the IWM, right, to, let's say, the SPY or the SSO, look at the overall market's making higher highs. We're pushing higher, okay? Whereas the IWM is actually pulling back. So I think the IWM ETF is a good trade in this area, or a bit lower with a catastrophic stop below these averages. What you would also want to do, you could measure the fibs from this low up to this high, and you could wait for a little deeper pullback in here, but I believe this market should bounce right in here, okay? So again, let's take a look at what happens with the IWM ETF and the GILD stock. Let's see if we get a move to the upside, okay? Have a great day, and I will be back with you tomorrow morning. Bye.